What's up, dudes? Welcome back. We have leveled up in the shop for reasons I'll show you later, because Nathan's riding something new now, and so am I. We went out for a little ride yesterday and ended up with another project bike. Now, a few weeks back, you guys probably saw the video of the 450R that I built, and so there's a couple other ones on the list, and this is the newest one we've picked up. I present to you my new to me, clapped out, completely roached CR250R. It's a 1995. Now, the last build, the 450R, was 2006, and I kind of styled it after the 1996 CR250, so that might be the direction we go with this bike too. Also, up on the project bike list, it's been in the background for a long time in our videos, but never really anything was said about it, but that would be this little 125 over here. This is a 2000 KX 125. We picked it up in Gatineau last summer. It wasn't running, but we got it home, plugged a few things in, and once you know it, it does run. What's probably going to happen here on the build list is, because the last bike I did was the Honda, next one will probably be the 125. I'll be building that real soon, while probably riding this CR250 that we just picked up, because I'm going to just clean it up a little bit by bit, make some little videos out of it, tips, tricks, stuff you can do to clean up a bike and make it run a little bit better. We'll just enjoy that bike for a little while, and then probably go full restoration on that sometime late fall. So this bike, as you can see probably from that little bit, the montage that I had set up, if I haven't put it in yet, this bike is crusty, dirty. It actually looks way better on video than it does in person, so that's cool, but like, it's roached. So I'm going to bring it outside, pressure wash it, probably rip the graphics off, because you guys know I don't like other people's graphics on my bikes ever, and sort of clean it up, get it ready to ride-ish, maybe change the bars, grip, stuff like that, check everything out, make sure the lines are all run properly. I noticed there's a lot that is not, and we'll go from there. So we'll take advantage of this, what turned out to be kind of a nice day actually. We'll pressure wash the bike and see what's underneath. While the bike is down on the side, check it out. The frame rails are actually not that bad. You always want to look along here for dents and stuff. Actually, I take that back. Look at that. That's a big weld mark probably. So I'm thinking the frame's already been repaired once. And the cleaner this thing gets, the worse it looks. So now that I gave this thing a pretty good scrub, I'm just gonna go through it and pick a couple pieces off, maybe do a little adjustments here and there, which is kind of be boring for you guys to watch, so I'm just gonna do my thing. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Looking at here is, I tried the CR250 Needs lots of love, obviously. I found a bunch of things cleaning it, but that's the whole beauty part of actually going through and cleaning your bike and scrubbing every little piece of it. You're gonna figure out real quick what's wrong. I cleaned up the pipe the best I could. It's real nasty over here. There's a bit of a dent, but that's kind of the only damage, except for this looks, where is it? There, that looks a bit crusty. Looks like it was welded. Aside from that, the pipe is not bad. Like I said, I tried to clean it. So we are missing a bolt in here to mount that. Hopefully it's not stripped. I don't know. It's hard to see. It's hard to tell. The gaskets, everything on the engine look pretty good. It's actually, it's got new gaskets in there. You can see them sort of. Look at those nice colors, huh? And the head does look like a different, or the top end looks like a different color from the rest of the motor. I'm thinking that's, it actually did get a rebuild. The kickstart, real sloppy. I think maybe, I don't think I could rebuild that. It's probably going to be an eBay thing. Paint all grinded up. And also the brake too. The brake moves a lot. Look at it. Look at the movement. I tightened that up a bit already, but it didn't really help. I mean, ultimately, this is going to be a full rebuild. Lots of stuff to do on it. But for now, I'm going to just ride it, enjoy it. Hopefully for the summer, it's going to take like probably a lot of troubleshooting, make sure I'm doing it okay, and it keeps running. But the plan is basically keep it running for the summer and work on something else, because we got another project bike coming right up. So while I'm busy looking around for parts for this CR250, we're going to jump right into our next project. See you soon. Bro, these Hondas are kind of like Pokemon. We're gonna catch them all.